Hello everyone, today we're doing a really quick demonstration of the ceiling fan. Just a word of warning, this thing wobbles pretty bad, so I'm going to do it fairly fast. This is low speed. This is in my parents' room. Don't worry guys, I'm going to work on it, but it's pretty wobbly. Now let's go to medium. Yeah, I'm going to fix this soon and I'll post another video after the wobble's been stopped. Now, high speed. As you can tell, it's pretty bad. I'm going to turn it off now. But yeah, thanks for watching guys and hope you have an amazing day. See you later.